Hi friends, in this video we will learn about catalytic converter, so I request you to watch the full video, and if you like this video don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's start. What is catalytic converter, how it works, and where does it fitted on car? So first question is, what is catalytic converter? A catalytic converter is an exhaust emission control device which converts toxic gases and pollutants in exhaust gas from an internal combustion engine into less toxic pollutants by catalyzing a redox reaction. Catalytic converters are usually used with internal combustion engines fueled by gasoline or diesel, including lean burn engine, and sometimes on kerosene heater and stoves. Next, second question is, where does it fitted on car? A catalytic converter is a large metal box located on the underside of a vehicle. Third is, how it works. A catalytic converter is a large metal box located on the underside of a vehicle that uses a catalytic convert harmful emission into less toxic byproduct. The converter uses two pipes and a catalyst to process exhaust gases from the engine. Input pipe gases enter the converter through this pipe, which is connected to the engine. Catalyst, the gases pass over the catalyst, which is usually made of an expensive metal like platinum or palladium. The catalyst speeds up chemical reaction between the gases and oxygen, causing to catalytic event reduction. The catalyst separates nitrogen oxide into nitrogen and oxygen, trapping the nitrogen inside the converter and allowing the oxygen to pass through oxidation. The catalyst burn unburned hydrocarbon and carbon monoxide by combining them with the oxygen to create carbon dioxide and water molecules. Output pipe, the less harmful gases then exit the converter through the output pipe, which is connected to the car tailpipe.